The power of compound interest is one of the most important secrets to achieving financial freedom. While it's unrealistic to expect to become rich overnight, letting your money accumulate effortlessly throughout your lifetime is possible. Compound interest follows a snowball effect where your money grows bigger and bigger as it rolls down the hill. The more time you give it to roll, the larger it will grow. This process involves earning money on your money, which can significantly impact your wealth throughout your life. Is it possible to earn $5,000 per month? Throughout this video, we will present a way to achieve this goal. It's important to note that everyone's investment journey is unique. Some may aim for $1,500 monthly, while others aspire to earn $5,000 monthly. When planning to invest or diversify your portfolio, it's crucial to consider your financial situation and what makes the most sense for you.
Einstein is reputed to have said that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world or something like that. And it goes back to that story you probably learned when you were in grade school where somebody did something for the king and the king said, "What can I do for you?" And he said, "Well, let's take a chessboard and put one kernel of wheat on the first square and then double it on the second and double it on the third." And the king readily agreed to it. And by the time he figured out what 2 to the 64th amounted to, he was giving away the entire kingdom. So it's a pretty simple concept, but over time, it accomplishes extraordinary things.
Compound interest is crucial in finance. It allows for exponential money growth by earning interest on the initial principal and accumulated interest from previous periods. Reinvesting interest can help your savings soar. When investing, there are 3 key factors to remember: your initial investment, the interest rate, and the duration. Compound interest can be a helpful tool in maximizing returns, whether you choose to invest for years or months. The longer your money has to grow, the more effective compounding can be, resulting in greater profits. That's why it's important to start investing as soon as possible, as time can help you weather market fluctuations and short-term volatility. By remaining invested long-term, you can benefit from compound interest's resilience and growth potential, which allows your investments to recover and continue to grow despite temporary setbacks.
I was able to save $10,000 by the time I was 21, and that was a huge head start. Every dollar then is worth making $10 or $20 later on. And so if you are interested in financial matters, getting a stake early is very useful, and getting knowledge early is very useful. So
investing earlier and using compound interest can lead to greater financial gains. Let's take the example of Nancy, who is 25 years old, and Andy, 45. Both of them saved $30,000 over 20 years. They contributed $1,000 annually for the first 10 years and $2,000 annually for the next 10 years, with an assumed 6% annual return. Nancy saved from 25 to 44, while Andy saved from 45 to 64. Despite saving the same amount and having the same rate of return, Nancy ended up with a nest egg worth $110,000 more than Andy when they both turned 65. Nancy's savings amounted to $160,000, whereas Andy's total was $50,000. It's important to note that Nancy benefited from 40 years of compounding growth, while Andy only had 20 years. As a result, Andy would have needed to save over 3 times more than Nancy to achieve the same nest egg size at age 65. As Charlie Munger once said, the first rule of compounding is never to interrupt it unnecessarily. A great investment strategy is to invest in dividend-paying stocks and allow your dividends to accumulate and compound over time. Like a snowball increasing in size as it rolls, your investment will also increase in value. Simply set up your investment and let it grow without worrying about it for a while. We will examine the potential of dividend investing through a 25-year investment model featuring 2 strategies. 1. Investing a lump sum of $1,000. 2. Investing $200 every month. Lump sum investments involve depositing a large amount of money into an investment account simultaneously. This approach allows for immediate benefit from compound interest on the full amount. It's ideal if you have a significant sum of money available or come into a windfall. It gives your investment more time to grow and compound. Recurring investments, on the other hand, involve making regular contributions over time. This approach is beneficial if you don't have much money upfront but can consistently invest smaller amounts. Dollar cost averaging allows you to buy more shares when prices are lower and fewer when prices are higher. This approach mitigates market volatility and helps build your investment over time. Investing in a lump sum or recurring investments depends on your financial situation and goals. Lump sum investments have the potential for immediate growth, while recurring investments offer flexibility and the opportunity to invest consistently. Bill Ackman, the founder of Pershing Square Capital, has become an icon in the investment world over the past 15 years. Currently, the billionaire's portfolio is highly focused, with one stock accounting for 23.5% of Pershing Square's assets. This stock happens to be the well-known home improvement retailer Lowe's. And it has been increasing its dividends for over 50 years. To create this model, we used the compounded annual dividend growth rate, CAGR, over the last 10 years, which is 20.47%. CAGR considers the impact of compounding or reinvestment over some time. For instance, if you invest $1,000 in Lowe's stock and wait 25 years, your initial $1,000 investment would have grown to $50,674 if you reinvested the dividends. When you receive a dividend payment, you can use the money to purchase more shares of the stock. This will result in a higher dividend payout for you in the future. By buying more shares, you can increase your future payouts even more. Over time, the process grows and repeats like a snowball rolling down a hill, which can help your investment grow faster. By reinvesting your dividends, your annual dividend payments can increase to $6,581, approximately $548 per month. Although it may not seem like much, it all began with a $1,000 investment. For instance, if you invest $10,000 as a one-time investment, you can benefit from this process. In 25 years, the value of your investment will be $507,102.37. This investment pays an annual dividend of $65,861.54, approximately $5,488 monthly. As you invest more, your dividends will increase. This monthly income is sufficient for most people after retirement. If you stop reinvesting, your dividend payments will still increase as the company typically raises the dividend amount. It's best to start investing and reinvesting early for optimal results. By beginning with a small amount like $1,000 or a moderate investment of $10,000 and reinvesting dividends, you can achieve impressive long-term growth. However, if you have a more comprehensive investing strategy, such as investing $200 per month for 25 years, let's explore the potential results. By investing an initial amount of $1,000 and then adding $200 every month for 25 years, you can follow a strategy that doesn't require you to go into debt and is easy to implement. Following this strategy means that you will have invested a total of $61,000. If you reinvest the dividends you earn, your investment will be valued at $919,646.75 by the end of the 25-year period. However, if you choose not to reinvest the dividends, your investment will only be valued at $246,858.25. This means that by reinvesting the dividends, you earn an extra $672,788. Even without reinvesting, you would still receive $36,840.29 per year in dividends by the end of the period, equivalent to $3,070 per month. However, the real advantage lies in reinvesting the dividends. After 25 years of reinvesting dividends, you can receive an annual dividend income of $119,130.34. This translates to $9,927 per month. The benefits of compounding and reinvestment become even more apparent if you continue this strategy for 5 or 10 more years. In 30 years, you can receive an annual dividend income of $746,900.10 and have a total value of $3,971,359, which is equivalent to over $62,241 in dividends per month. The difference between reinvesting dividends and not doing so is significant, with $3.9 million in total value and $747,000 in annual dividend income.
We appreciate your watching. Please hit the like button below if this video helped you in any way and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks again and see you next time.